Listen guys, I want to show you something serious, okay? Look at this. This t-shirt sold 51 times just today. It says it costs $10, right? But when I click on it, you see that most prices are usually 19. Okay, there's one for 24, 22. So let's assume the average price is $19. And then also they charge for shipping $6. So if you want to use calculator and figure out how much money is this product doing right here, we can plug the numbers right here. So the selling price is 25. Production cost for these t-shirts, it's a comfort color t-shirt from what I'm seeing. Yep, it's a comfort color t-shirt. So these are about $10.72, and the shipping cost should be about $3.99. So if we calculate, the profit on this t-shirt is $11. And since they sold 51 of them today, that means that they made already $583 in profit. The reason being why I'm telling you this is because I use Claude to find this t-shirt for me. I use a very specific method, which you will not find on YouTube unless you watch this video. And to sell these t-shirts, you don't have to make them yourself at home. In fact, you don't have to even make the designs yourselves because you can just use AI. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find highly profitable Etsy trends using Claude, and then how you can build these products using Printify, which will handle shipping, production, even the mockup generation for you. So you can just focus on important things. It's just finding designs. And if we get 100 likes, I'm gonna drop a Claude skill that you can use to kind of replicate this method. You can do this without the Claude skill, but Claude skill will just make it easier for you if you want to replicate this multiple times. So if you guys are not familiar with me, I sell digital and print-on-demand products on Etsy. And for both of these products, what's very important, it's seasonality. Etsy is a season-heavy platform because it's a gifting platform. A lot of people go on Etsy to look for gifts, and they usually buy gifts for certain occasions. So ask Claude to give me big seasonal trends for the next 3 months using data from Crafty and Etsy. I'm gonna explain what is Crafty in a minute because that's kind of the secret sauce here. So I got my 5 major trends, and the number 1 trend that they mentioned was patriotic and 4th of July. And the product I showed you earlier, it's related to 4th of July and it's also patriotic. But what is cool also that it's giving me specific information, such as specific listing like this one, God shed his grace on thee. As you can see, there's a bunch of these designs like this one right here, which is a bestseller that's using this quote. Here's another one, here's another one. Here's another one. And I'm gonna be honest with you, usually you would not get this specific information from Claude unless you're gonna use this specific setup that I'm gonna show you. And to confirm that Claude is giving me accurate information, I went to Marketplace Insights. And as you can see, when I type in 4th of July, there's a strong uptrend going upwards. So we know that this data is accurate. 4th of July right now is a hot commodity. On top of that, this 4th of July is very special because we got 250-year US anniversary. And as you can see, we have an uptrend for the last month. In fact, the searches for this keyword rose by 22%. And the t-shirt I show you is using all these keywords such as 4th of July and USA 250 anniversary. So we already know that this trend is highly searchable, and this particular vintage style, it's popular on Etsy. And the reason being why I was able to get this specific information is because I used specific connector that they plugged in directly to Claude. And the connector is called Crafty, which is a third-party software that has data on best-selling Etsy listings and keywords, as well as it can generate images, which is going to be useful once we start making this product in Printify. So let me show you how you can connect Crafty to Claude. That way you can get really good indicators which listings specifically are working on Etsy. Because without Crafty, Claude would just scan general articles or like blog posts about what is trending, which a lot of times is not accurate. You want to get specific sales numbers and quantifiable results. That's what Crafty is going to do for you. So we need to create an account in crafty.com, and you want to go to connect via MCP. And MCP is a form of connection between Claude and Crafty, so that way they can exchange information. And it's super simple to set it up. All you have to do is go to Claude and click on customize. Then you're gonna go to connectors. You're gonna click on this plus button right here and click on add custom connector. In the name, you're gonna put Crafty, and you have to copy the link to the MCP server, which is this one right here, click on add, and you will have to set up your permissions. I suggest you allow everything besides video generation. And now Claude has access to Etsy data coming from Crafty, so it can give you specific information on which listings are working. So you can, for example, ask it, show me the best selling print-on-demand t-shirts in the last 7 days. It gave me a specific t-shirt that's a comfort color t-shirt that says, hold on, I see a cat shirt, which is a best seller on Etsy. It's a super simple design. Comfort color t-shirt, which is something that's available on Printify, and it has estimated 51 monthly sales. Even tells you how much it makes a month, which is $669, which is something that we could work with. So that's how you can easily research products that sell super well inside Claude. But we're gonna try to jump on this trend since we know this is a high trend and it got 51 purchases in the last 24 hours. We're gonna go the patriotic 4th of July route, and we're gonna use Claude and Printify to create this design. So if you guys are not familiar with Printify, it's the best print-on-demand service that has so many products to pick from. They got t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, but also jewelry and embroidery now, and a lot of different accessories such as phone cases, blankets, ornaments. But we are going to use their comfort color t-shirts. It's a good compromise between the quality and the price. Comfort color t-shirts are really good quality. I actually own multiple comfort color t-shirts myself. They're better than Gildan in my opinion, and it's just something that people expect on Etsy. So that's why we're gonna go with that. But first we need to create our design, and we don't want to copy exactly this design right here, but we want this vintage patriotic style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot of this picture, and I'm gonna use Claude to come up with a new design. And since Claude is connected to the data from Etsy and Crafty, to see if it come up with something new, but in that style, in that trend. So this is what I'm gonna tell Claude. So first I'm gonna upload the screenshot so I can use it as a reference. And here's what I'm gonna say to Claude. This design got 51 sales in the last 24 hours on Etsy. Can you look into the data from Crafty and Etsy and come up with the new design for a t-shirt and generate on a transparent background? Remember, just the design, no mockup. And let's see what is it gonna come up with. So first it's doing the research just like I ask it, because again, I don't wanna copy directly everything that we're doing. I want Claude to have broad context of what we want. And based on the context, it should figure out something cool. So just give it a minute and I'm gonna show you the end results. And we get a very patriotic design, also in that vintage style, which is super cool. And here we can read why I decided to go with this. It says, I keep your winning formula, single color, hand etched line art on transparent postage stamp framing, USA 250 and a date, but swap the iconographic Statue of Liberty with the bold eagle, which makes sense. So it's very similar to original, right? Our original design was this right here. And then went with something similar. We got the bell and we got the eagle, which is the most American thing ever. And we got the flag too. So they understood the assignment very well. So I'm gonna upscale this image so we can get it in better quality. And now I'm gonna save it on my computer. Now we can go back to Printify and finish the design. So we're gonna use the comfort color unisex garment dye t-shirt. We're gonna go with DTG and we're gonna click on start designing. Now I'm gonna upload the design to Printify, and this is the design, but I see that AI didn't remove the background. So Printify has a built-in background removal. All you have to do is just click on this button right here and then click on quick remove. And it will automatically make this background transparent, just like that. But right now we're only offering a white color background. So let's add more variants by clicking select variants. So I select a couple different colors, and check this out. We can see the preview, what this design is gonna look on the specific mockup. So this is what it's gonna look in real life. It looks pretty cool. And then you can click on specific mockup like this one right here, right? And that's pretty neat. Yeah, that looks really good. But what's really cool is that Printify has a built-in mockup generator, which they use AI to do it. So you can click on AI generated mockups and click on generate mockup. And let's select the product variant. I'm gonna go with ivory because I really like that color, and we want the front. I feel like these patriotic t-shirts might be popular among males. Let's change it to an adult in his 30s and 40s, and let's make this a white boy because I feel like white boys are very patriotic in US. Do we want him to be a baldy? No, let's give him a hair. Let's make him having a buzz cut with brunette hair, and he is slim, maybe not serious. Let's make him friendly. And then we can also pick a specific background. So they even have a 4th of July background. Let's actually select it. I'm actually curious to see what this is gonna look like. So let's just generate and see. He is having fun at the fair, huh? But his hands are covering the design, but the picture itself looks pretty cool. It's a very neat feature. I'm gonna give you one more suggestion. I think mockups that don't have humans perform better. So we're gonna switch from isolated product, and we wanna keep it laying, neatly folded. We wanna keep it flat with casual wrinkles. On the rustic wood table, I feel like that's what 4th of July kind of feels like, with lifestyle accessories. All right, and this looks pretty good. It's manly, it's rustic, perfect, that's what we want. Okay, we're gonna use this as our primary photo, but then we also got a couple different ones. We need a title and a description, but we're gonna use Claude again to get SEO optimized title. So I'm gonna download this picture so I can use it as a reference. And let's go back to Claude, upload that picture. Can you give me SEO optimized listing title for this design? This is a t-shirt print on demand. Ideally, I wanna aim for keywords such as patriotic, 4th of July, and 250 years old anniversary. So use the data that you have and come up with the SEO optimized title. All right, we got a very good title right here. Simple, easy, it's following Etsy rules. Since this is connected to Crafty, it has access to SEO information from Etsy, so it's getting very good titles. So we're gonna paste it right here. And then now let's get the description. Can you also give me SEO optimized description for this listing as well? All right, let's copy this. See how easy this is? We also need tags. Can you also give me Etsy tags for this listing? All right, here are my tags. We're gonna paste them right here. Click on add, boom. Now for the listing attributes, you wanna fill out as much as possible. For the color, we're gonna go with white. This is like the most annoying part, but this helps your SEO. So try to fill out as much as you can. Ideally, I would focus on color, keep it general, like white or black, because those are the most popular colors that people are looking for. Holiday, go with Independence Day, and the rest we can skip. For the shipping, we're gonna go just with standard, just keep it as it is, and then scroll down where it says pricing, and this is where the magic happens. So what you wanna do is you wanna offer all these sizes so everyone can buy it, but we're gonna change the retail price. So click on edit price, and we're gonna change our profit margins to 30%. So now we have similar prices to our competitor, but what's very important, select one of the t-shirts from the small and pick one of these t-shirts, let's say the watermelon color one, and change the price for it to be something very cheap, like $10, okay? So technically we are losing money on this one variant, okay? But that's okay because all the other ones will gonna make us money. Since this is a small size, and it's a watermelon color, it's not very popular. So there's a very small chance that someone's gonna buy it. All the other ones are profitable. This is the one that's just not profitable. But because we have such a low price on this listing, everyone that's gonna enter your listing on Etsy, the first price they're gonna see is this one, which is the $10.10. So if you get 10 orders that are profitable and one that's gonna lose you money, that's fine, you're still profitable, but the chances are very low. But this increases your discoverability, okay? This is a secret hack right here. And once you have everything set up, just click on publish and congratulations. You just listed a super viral product on Etsy using Printify. If you guys wanna try it, I have a link down below in the description of this video. It's a great platform, but that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.